So let's transform the bedsheet into a dress now. Here's the torn bedsheet, which I'm happy with. And this is me sketching now, which I'm not very good at, but let's hope you get the idea. So this is more like an A-line dress which I'm trying to make, which would have like gathers of sorts at the end. You get the idea, right? So now I'll cut the bedsheet from the torn part. Here I'm gonna put the fabric on me and then mark the armholes, the side seams and my neckline. I don't usually follow measurements because I don't understand them. So now I'll just darken the lines I marked with chalk earlier. And now we will just cut along the lines which we had marked. Here I'm using pins to fit the dress as per my body. Using an inch tape, now I'll measure the length of the dress. Now I'll cut the dress as per the length I got, which in this case was around 33 or 34 inches. I don't quite remember very clearly. Now we will stitch the sides of the dress along with the top straps. So this is how the dress looks like now after we have stitched the sides and the straps. Now we will side stitch the remaining fabric and do a base stitch at the bottom for a cleanup finish, and then we'll get a whole new long fabric. So this is one long piece of fabric which we will now use to make the gathers. These are the gathers which I made using the tug and pull method after doing a base stitch. Here I'm measuring the bottom part of the dress so that my gathers are equal to it. So the width of the dress will be equal to the length of the gathers. Now all you have to do is just attach these gathers to the dress. for the final reveal.